Alvas Engineering College always believed in preparing students for the future, not just with technology, but with purpose. The Agriculture Engineering Department is a testament to this vision. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation, and engineering is the key to transforming it. Through this program, we are creating a new generation of professionals who combine scientific knowledge with practical innovation to solve real problems in farming, sustainability, and food production. With modern laboratories, experienced faculty, and hands on experience, our students are empowered to lead the agriculture revolution. We invite students and parents to explore these dynamic opportunities and be a part of brighter, self-reliant agricultural future.
In our institute, we are covering the curriculum like agricultural practices, agrochemicals, crop production technologies, agricultural tractors, equipments, and power tillers. We are dealing with the renewable energy sources, agricultural process engineering technologies, post harvest technology, food technology, soil water conservation engineering, irrigation drainage engineering, then water science technology, as well as we are focusing on the farm structures and protected cultivation technologies.
Have a hydroponic lab, a power machinery lab, and food processing lab. So this is a student get hands-on training.
They will be having the exposure visits to the cashew industries and KVKs for the recent developments in the technology and farmers' fields to have the knowledge about how the farmer is practicing the crop production technology and what are the different advancements he has adopted in his field.
I was amazed by a student that leads to the design of solar powered equipment like groundnut, arecanut decorticator, paddy harvester, potato planter, pneumatic disc making machines from agricultural residue, agricultural robots for the spraying, electric vehicles that address post-harvest losses at the farm level.
I have done majorly two projects in the year. One is the arecanut dryer machine, which is I have selected for the Manad Summit also and won the first prize there. And another one is IoT based machine, which is going to detect the diseases automatically and spray those diseases with a perfect judicious amount of the spraying. Once I have completed this, I am now looking for the jobs and all, and I want to work in the agriculture field itself for the longer year, and I'm looking for the competitive exams also to be an agriculture officer and in the forest department. And after that, my plan is to create a managed farmland, which is going to be very much beneficial for the farmers, where I could give the demos for the farmers, give knowledge for them, and inculcate the future practices.
Once I started with working in GIS, I have a very clear plan to undergo the research, and once I reached Regional Remote Sensing Center, I was very much explored to the opportunities in the field of agriculture scientist and also the advantages of being an agriculture engineering graduate.
Presently, I am working as a farm manager at Abio Managed Farmlands, and future I am looking to start my entrepreneurship.
So I would like to say one thing, that if you are a student who is very passionate about agriculture and you want to understand from basic to the advanced level of all the technologies present and merge them into agriculture and help the farmers for the future perspective of the world and agriculture field, then the Alvas is the right place for you.